Hello everyone, welcome to today's planning briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service in Missoula. My name is Leanne, and here are the key points. Pretty much an unsettled weather pattern is going to continue, and every single day we'll see periodic showery conditions scattered just about everywhere. Hard to forecast, but it's going to be out there. There will be brief high pressure moving its way into the region on Wednesday, but unfortunately with so much moisture in the area, we'll have a very small break, if any, in precipitation. And really, the highest confidence of this entire forecast period is the fact that there will be no extended dry period in at least the next 5 to 7 days. As a result, here's our weather threat matrix. As you can see, there's a low threat of snow on Monday at all elevations as this current system gets its way out of here. And then pretty much snow is going to be confined to the higher terrain, basically impacting mountain pass roadways Tuesday through Friday. So here's a look at the satellite over the Pacific Ocean. You can see Hawaii's down in the bottom left corner to orient you. Continental U.S. top right corner, and this giant stream of yellow and green and blue is what is going to be an atmospheric river. It won't necessarily impact us here in the Northern Rockies, but it is a straight shot of moisture that will impact us over the course of the next few days in the form of continuous, lingering, pesky showers. So here's the general pattern. This is for Tuesday at 6 p.m. You can see the low pressure system over the Midwest is exiting to the east. That brief ridge I mentioned is moving its way onto the Pacific Northwest coast. It will take up residence for about 24 hours over the Intermountain West, but over on the coast you can see a low pressure that's going to wrap that atmospheric moisture into it. That will eventually move inland, and this current image is for Saturday at noon. Now for the Easter weekend, we all want to know, is it going to be nice? Is it going to be raining? Well, it's all going to depend on how far south this center of the low digs. And so the ridge is lingering right here. It could remain anchored over western Montana and north central Idaho, or this low could slide further eastward and wrap moisture up into our area and thus cause a continued unsettled pattern, as we've been saying for several days now. So we're going to have to wait and see. Details are still kind of murky on that one. Here's the temperature trend from Tuesday through Saturday. If it interests you, the minimum temperatures are on the left, the maximum temperatures are on the right. Please pause the briefing if you'd like to take a look at your area. And the 8 to 14 day, that takes us right through April 6th, basically the first week of April, and we stay in that outlook of greater chances for cooler than normal temperatures. And still a little bit of western Montana, not so much central Idaho, but above normal chances for, or greater chances for above normal precipitation, excuse me. And that is it for today. Our next briefing will be Thursday, March 28th. We'll see you then.